Let us begin with the chapter, the present tense. Now we know present tense talks about present time. Okay, there are some uses why we use simple present tense for professional activities. That means a doctor treats a patient. It's his profession, what he does. A planned or fixed future event. That means an event which is going to be executed at particular fixed time. For example, the class ends at 12 p.m. sharp. We begin our work tomorrow. Exclamation with here or there. It's an exclamatory sentence. Here comes our teacher. There go all the members. Habitual or usual action. Rima plays badminton every day. The bank gives an interest of 5% on our savings. This is very important usage of simple present tense. All these rules you have to keep in mind. General truths, vegetables and fruits are good for us. The sun shines brightly in the month. Okay. Scientific and geographic facts. New Delhi is the capital of India. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Now simple present tense uses verb form in the first form. Okay. In previous worksheets, you might have studied about the verb forms, or in 7th standard you have studied about all those verb forms. So always remember, simple present tense uses first form of the verb according to the number of the noun. See, here it is plural, we will use without s word, and here it is singular, we will use s word. Here as well, a doctor treats. A doctor is a singular person, so we have treats. The doctors, if it would have been here, so it would have been treat word. Okay, the doctors treat patients, like that way. Now present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means that something is continuing, right? For example, actions going on at the time of speaking. I am taking a class right now. That means right now I am making this video, right? This way, actions planned or fixed in near future. In near future, some actions which are planned or which are fixed, we use present continuous tense. The plane is landing 2 hours late. We are writing a test next week. Temporary action, the restaurant is offering an extra 5% discount. We can say there are some offers going on in the restaurant. So those are temporary actions and they use present continuous tense. To talk about actions that are occurring habitually or regularly, we use simple present tense. However, actions that are continuing in the present time are expressed through present continuous tense. It's very simple. Continuing means present continuous tense. Some words you should remember that they indicate simple present tense. That is usually, regularly, always, every day. They indicate simple present tense. And some words such as now, nowadays, presently, currently, at the moment, they indicate present continuous tense. All these rules you have to keep in mind. Regularly you have to study the tenses, otherwise you will face difficulties. Okay. Note that some words are mostly used in simple present and not in continuous form. These are some words which are not used in ing forms. Example, believe, know, think, understand. I believe what you are saying. I am believing will be a wrong usage. Verbs that show feelings, love, envy, hate, hope, prefer, wish, preferring, wishing. Those words, if used in this present continuous form, they are wrong. She loves you for your honesty. Verbs that show states, be, fit, cause, suit. The Kharnas are on a holiday right now. Show possession, have, belong. They have a new car. They can't say they are having a new car. Verbs that depict senses, feel, see, hear, taste, smell, touch. The soup tastes really good. You can't write this. The soup is tasting really good. Present perfect tense. Now, present perfect tense is used when actions completed in the immediate past. This is a hint word. I have just shifted to this neighborhood. You should remember that I, we, you, they use the helping verb have, and he, she, it uses has. You know this. I have made you study in 7th standard. So please go through those rules if you have any confusion. Meeta has just completed her assignment. See, this is a hint word which will help you to identify that whether you have to use present perfect tense or not. Actions in the past, the time of which is neither given nor definite. Some actions which have been done in the past but we don't know when they were done. There is no definite time, neither it has been stated. Uncle John has been to America several times. We have never known him really well. actions started in the past, actions which were started in the past and they are continuing up right now. Sometimes these hint words will help you to identify that since and for. We should know that you use since from a given time of time and you use for definite time. This is for indefinite, this is for definite, for ages, for 10 years, for 2 months, for 1 week, since Monday, since 9 o'clock, like that, okay? We do not use expressions such as yesterday, last week, last year and so on with the present perfect form. Always remember these expressions are not used with present perfect form and they are indicative of past and they are used with simple past tense, which we will study in the next chapter. Now present perfect continuous tense. We will mix the present perfect tense and the present continuous tense and we get this present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that begin in the past and are still going on. I have been teaching for the past 20 years. That means I began teaching 20 years ago and till now I have been teaching. Team members have been demanding a change in captaincy since July. See here, for is used for definite years. This is used for indefinite time. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that begin in the past and are still going on. Okay. While since is used for specific points in time, since last year, since Christmas, since Monday, since Tuesday, and for is used for definite durations, for the last week, for 2 years, for many months. This government has been ruling since the last 5 years. See. Children have been watching television since morning, like this. I have painted the house this morning. I have been painting the house since morning. This morning, action completed. Since morning, I have been painting, right? I began painting in morning until now I am doing it. The first sentence talks of an action that has been completed at the moment of speaking. The second talks of an action that is at the moment of speaking still going on. There is difference. That action was done. This is still continuing. Here it is, first sentence is present perfect tense where focus is on finished result. Second, it's present perfect continuous tense where activity focus is, it is still unfinished.